Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the unit. Turn the key to ACC so the Kd-r530 gets steady power. Once powered, press SRC, then press and hold SEL to open the settings menu. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and visible. Go into the car's Bluetooth section and choose pairing. This step initiates device discovery, which is why you must enable visibility on your phone first so the head unit can find it immediately. Once the Kd-r530 advertises itself, you'll see its name on your phone's Bluetooth list. Tap that name to start pairing. When a PIN prompt appears, check that the numbers match and then accept. Many Jvc units use 0000, but always verify on screen. After pairing, allow contact and audio permissions so your phone can sync the phone book and stream music. Doing this ensures hands-free calling. After pairing, switch the Kd-r530 to BT audio source so media plays through the car speakers. Press SRC until Bluetooth audio is active. If connection fails or cuts out, make sure only one device is connected, then forget the Kd-r530 on your phone and clear paired devices in the radio before repairing. If problems persist, restart your phone and power cycle the head unit. This often clears transient Bluetooth cache issues and restores a stable connection quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.